We're hearing a lot about yield curves and specifically inverted yield curves of late. So what is an inverted yield curve? First, a yield curve is a graph of interest rates from short term up to long term. Since bondholders want to get compensated more for lending money for a longer period of time versus a shorter period of time, interest rates are usually higher the longer the term is. This also assumes that the bondholders see the economy growing into the future. So you would have a yield curve that goes upward from the shorter term to the longer terms, like this. But sometimes this actually goes in the other direction, where shorter term interest rates are higher than longer term. So what does that mean? This typically happens because bond buyers fear the economy is slowing, and then will seek the safety of longer term bonds, and therefore increase the demand for those longer term bonds. And with bonds, as the demand goes up, the rates go down. In other words, bondholders are saying that they are expecting the economy to slow in the future and will accept lower rates for a longer term bond than normal. So why should investors be interested in this? Because an inverted yield curve has been a good predictor of a future recession. In fact, we've had an inverted yield curve prior to each recession since the 1970s. But it does not guarantee a recession is imminent. There are a lot of reasons that the current inversion may not predict a recession. And there's a lot of worry in the market right now about the recent inverted yield curve will predict correctly this time or not. We'll have to wait and see if this inverted yield curve will correctly predict the next recession. So stay tuned.